Hello and welcome back to this channel. In this video, we are going to talk about what blockchain is. Hope you're excited. Let's get started. So, to start off, we are going to disprove a common misconception that Bitcoin is blockchain. Blockchain is a powerful technology, and Bitcoin is a specific use case of blockchain. Bitcoin is a digital cryptocurrency that is built using blockchain. So, no, Bitcoin is not blockchain, it's an application of blockchain. Let's understand what blockchain actually is. Think of blockchain as a virtual notebook. This notebook keeps track of transactions. When a new transaction happens, it's added to the notebook as a new page. Once something is written in this notebook, it cannot be erased or changed. It's immutable. Copies of this notebook are shared on many computers around the world. There is no need for any central authority to keep things in check. Instead, people have trust in the system because everyone can see and verify the transactions. It's like a big team of computers working together to make sure everything is fair and secure. Before moving forward, let's understand a few keywords. Ledger. Ledger is like a digital notebook that keeps track of transactions. Imagine a shared Excel file where you and your friends note down how much money you owe each other. This file acts as a ledger, recording the transactions between all of you. Transactions. Transactions refer to the exchange of something valuable, such as money, goods, or information. In the context of blockchain, it can be digital currency transfer, like sending Bitcoin from one person to another. Decentralized and distributed systems. A decentralized system means there is no central authority controlling everything. Instead, power and decision making are spread across multiple participants. In context of blockchain, imagine a group project where every team member has equal say and control. No one person is in charge and decisions are made by consensus. Whereas in a distributed system, multiple computers or nodes work together as a network. So blockchain is a secure, distributed and decentralized digital ledger for recording and verifying transactions without a central authority. Now why the name blockchain? Blockchain got its name from the way it stores data. In blockchain, the data is packed into blocks. These blocks later form a chain with other blocks of information, forming the blockchain. Let's understand how blockchain looks like. So here's a block, and inside the computer, it's not a block, it's code. But it's a good idea to think of it as a block. It will help with the understanding. Block has some sort of data. It can be number, text, or list of transactions, and things like that. This block contains the previous hash and the current hash. So what is a hash? Hash is like a fingerprint of data inside a block. Just like human, we have fingerprints, and we can identify a person by the fingerprints. But we cannot totally reconstruct a person based on their fingerprints, but we can identify them. And that's what a hash is. It's a unique identifier of the information contained within the block. So these are the main components of a block. Now let's see how they link up to form a blockchain. So we have our first block. It's called the Genesis block. It will never change in the blockchain. It will have some data, the previous hash will be all zeros, and the current hash will be some number. We always add blocks to the right. Next, we have a second block. It also has some data. It will have a previous hash, which is equal to the hash of block number 1, and then it will have its own hash. So as you can see, they are all linked through hashes. Similarly, the third block will have its own data. It will have a previous hash, which will be equal to the hash of block number 2. It will have the current hash and so on. So the term that blocks are cryptographically linked together comes from here. Let's understand the working of the blockchain. Blockchain works in a decentralized fashion. When a user creates a transaction over a blockchain network, the requested transaction is broadcasted over the peer-to-peer network. The nodes in the network then validates the transaction. Once the transaction is validated, it is grouped with other verified transactions to create a new block. This block is then secured using cryptographic principles. Each node in the network will create a block. From this, one block is selected by the network using some selection criteria. This block is then added to the existing blockchain network, confirming that it is secure and immutable. This is how the blockchain works. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful.